So this is the only apartment in the building which has this kind of balcony. Otherwise, any other apartment you will not find this kind of a balcony. This is the one here. This is the main feature. Quite a big deck. Absolutely humongous. We got a 3 bedroom, we got a living space, and you enter from there. Vastu-Compliant homes, and a proper 3 bedroom with 3 attached bathrooms. And this was given on rent to the tenants. So the stuff is lying here. This will go very soon. The tenants are vacating. So it was on rent for around 85,000 per month. This is your open kitchen concept. But you got sunlight coming in from all the sides. Now all the furniture, electronics will go away. You have to bring everything. Of course, the fittings will stay. Whatever the fixed stuff will stay. But this apartment is full of sunlight, air and ventilation, and the balconies. Now this one here, this is a big bedroom as well, quite a size actually. So it's around more than 1400 square feet carpet area. So of course, like I said, bed, wardrobe, nothing will stay. You have to bring your own furniture and electronics. That's your attached bathroom out there. So this is going to be your space and you design it, and it's going to be your rules. So 4 apartments per floor, only 33 members in the society, and it was redeveloped in Malad East in 2018. Now another bedroom here. This is again an attached bathroom as well, the ensuite. But from wherever you see, there's plenty of light, air, ventilation. Malad East is a different place altogether because of new construction. But look at the space, the bedroom size is very, and the ceiling height is also very different from all the other apartments. So the ceiling height is a little higher. Now this space can be utilized by you the way you want it. You can use it for storage, you can use it for various other purposes. And the last and the final is this one. So you can see it's open from all sides, one corner to the other, and you will see all different sides from the apartment. Almost like 3 sides. Another attached bathroom. Quiet society, only 33 members, and no cacophony at all whatsoever. So this is a 3 bedroom apartment with 3 attached bathrooms. And the best part about this is the deck area. So Malad East with Rafiq Merchant. Cheers.